Alright, so this is my oatmeal, honey, and turmeric soap that y'all see with. I'm about to wash my face in a moment. And this is the oil that I'm putting together to go with each individual soap. But that oil right there is a facial oil, so it's unscented. And the other oil that I did have that I put on my arms, from earlier, I have a mixture of my blended essential oils, which is orange, patchouli, and vanilla, and that has 3 concoctions of my oils: vitamin E, jojoba oil, and also sesame oil, which is very good for the skin. I am loving the lather from this soap, from this oatmeal, honey, and turmeric soap. It's really wonderful. I love it. Oh, wait, you see that? Oh, you see that, Lord? You see that lather? Oh, okay. Watch that face, girl. Get it together. Get it. Oh, there. Okay. Cheek, right cheek, left cheek. Okay, good. So, yeah. So I'm let y'all watch me wash my face and all. And it's so funny because my daughter, she was she watched the video before I put it on here. She's like, "Mom, what's wrong with you? What you doing? What's wrong?" Honey, I'm washing my face. Get it together, okay? Don't act like you ain't never seen this done. So we're going to get back to the video, alright? So, I'll talk to you later, guys. Don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Alright, so y'all see, I was washing my face with my soap, and it makes my face, oh my goodness, feel so good. Anyway, I am gonna brag on it, Alright, so my honey oatmeal, turmeric soap has, of course, real honey, raw honey in there, turmeric, and oatmeal. So they are the only things that's in there, and also vanilla. You see me flashing my stomach. Sorry, I was flashing the bottom of my stomach. Yeah, this baby getting bigger and bigger every day. So but yeah, it smells so good. And this is the oil that I put together. That's my facial soap that's unscented. It has jojoba oil in there, vitamin E, and also sesame oil. And it made my face feel so smooth. I had my son feel my face, and he's like, "Mom, your face feel fake." I guess that's a compliment. I hope so, because mommy ain't got no fake face. But anyway, but nonetheless, it does the job. It gave me the glow that I was looking for. It made my skin completely smooth. It felt so good. As you can see, I can't stop, going over my face. I love facials, by the way. I used to do them all the time, and I haven't did one in a long time. But nonetheless, it is good. It's unscented. I love it, and it makes my face feel smooth and soft. And so, there you go. Yeah, I'm gonna just keep on going over my face. Okay. Yeah, just smoothing the oils in my grill, and I just liking the feel of it. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't done so, like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video. See you later, guys. You give all day long.